Alright guys, this is the grand finale jerk chicken festival plantain. The jerk pasta on the side right there, so let me know what you guys think. Alright guys, so today we are going to do some jerk chicken. As you can see, big old piece of chicken. We are going to clean it up and then show another process of that, so stay tuned. Vinegar, okay guys, so as you can see, some of these don't have the skin and some have the skin. It's all up to your preference if you like your jerk chicken with skin or not. Some of them cut in smaller pieces and some whole. So yeah, all up to you. Okay guys, so now we are gonna make the festival. We're gonna use Grace Festival. First time using this, so I'm excited to see how it turned out. And I do have a tutorial on my channel on how to make dumpling dough or how to make festival, boiled dumplings, spinach, all of that stuff. So if you want more in-depth details, you can go on my channel and check that one out as well. Okay, but yeah, let's get started. Guys, when I'm making my festival, I always tend to add extra sugar to it to give it that sweetness. It all depends on how many people you're making this for. You can use your judgment. So here is the festival mix, like flour and cornmeal, yes, and sugar. Get some salt, and then we're just gonna mix everything in before I add my liquid. If you want, you can use milk. You can also use coconut milk, or you can use water. Completely up to you. I'm just gonna use water today. So gradually add your water and just kind of stir your dough round and round until you see it start forming small pieces. Just keep doing that. Just like that. So once it's like this, it's all mending together of its own. This is where now you want to squeeze it all together like this and knead it all in. Once that happens, you can just like roll it in a ball. Get up all the excess like that. And you're just probably gonna leave it like for about 15 to 20 minutes so it can self-rise. After, we're gonna deep fry it until it's golden brown. All right guys, so after you leave this bowl for 15 or 20 minutes now, it's supposed to look like this, as you can see. Once you're pressing it, you see it rise by itself. And that you want. All right, so you just take off some small piece and shape your dough up to you. If you want to make it like long, like spinach, or you want to make it round, completely up to you. And now I have my all-purpose pot kind of hot. Just add my oil. A lot of people will fill up them pot all the way with oil, because you know they can't bother with the whole heap of turning. But for me, once I put the oil like halfway in the pot, so I know, so I just turn it 2 times and that is it. Yeah guys, so you just keep turning your festival on the low flame until it is golden brown like this. Make sure each sides get an even amount of cooking time. But for real, don't much festival I can eat. I just have to go like this for me. Comment below, let me know. Alright, so after you do that, then you just put in your other batch and make that go and fry nice and slow. You know, in a no rush when you fry festival. This is not a race. now we are going to do the plantain. As you can see, right, plantain. And beloved, when it have a black panny like this, that means you know say it well sweet. So for me, I just kind of like slice off a top, bottom, and then use the cutting board. Please use the cutting board, that's why it's here. But you see, when you raise a certain way, the cutting board is just there, and me don't know, I'll know me not use it. But basically like that, slice it in two, and then slice it up. You can slice it in any style you want. Your preference is completely up to you. Yeah. I love ripe plantain. Like anything me I eat, let ripe plantain be my side. Just put it on the side of anything. Anything, whether wild food, you know, ground provision, rice, just anything. Give me plantain, breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Yeah, so that's it. Slice it up, and now we're gonna just fry it in some oil, and that's a wrap. Make sure so you not take your eye off of the plantain, because you know as you turn your back, you burn up. So we are going to stay here, so and we are going to watch it until it's done. Alright guys, I will that know that look good. So let me take out them here, so then I get too burn up. Wow. Alright guys, this is the grand finale. Jerk chicken festival plantain. The jerk pass on the side right there, so let me know what you guys think. And also how much festival you can eat though. Come and know so no belly longer than mine, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna bust up this right now.